Most of us think that eating blood is best left to bats and vampires. But people all over the world eat recipes made with blood every day. From tofu to sausages and even pancakes, this fluid is a useful and surprisingly delicious ingredient. Keep watching to find out about some of the most unexpected foods that contain blood. Blood dessert. Have you ever tasted ice cream or pudding and thought, this could use more blood? Well, you're in luck. In southern Italy, it became a tradition to use the blood of a recently slaughtered animal to make a rich, chocolatey pudding. I wonder if it helps to wash down the bitter aftertaste of witnessing an animal lose its life. In Oregon, salt and straw ice cream has a flavor called Dracula blood pudding. It includes something called animal juice, also cinnamon and brandy, to help counteract its metallic aftertaste. And how about a popsicle made from sticky rice, pig's blood, and sweet pork soy broth? Blood soup. Adding this ingredient to soup is another common way that cultures have enjoyed consuming blood for millennia. In ancient Greece, Spartan warriors ate a stew made of boiled pig's legs and blood with salt and vinegar, which turned the broth black. In Poland, people enjoyed duck blood stew. Traditionally, women gave it to men to refuse a marriage proposal. Well, that'll do it. In Vietnam, you can order blood soup with fish sauce and baked meat for breakfast. It's cooled and topped with mint and crunchy peanuts for a fresh finish. And in Thailand, boat noodle soup is a traditional dish containing beef broth, bean curd, and a couple of tablespoons of fresh animal blood to help thicken the broth. Blood bread. This Scandinavian bread is, you guessed it, a yeast dough made with blood. It started as a way to use every part of an animal and to provide as much nutrition as possible. Bakers added blood to rye sourdough, which gave it a healthy extra dose of protein and iron. Beer, animal fat, and spices gave the dough extra richness and flavor. Blood pancakes. This was another way the Scandinavians gave an extra kick of iron to their pancakes. Found mostly in Finland and Sweden, blood pancakes ensured that people working in harsh conditions could start the day with a nutrient boost and feel full longer. Milk, flour, and fresh pig or reindeer blood are mixed into a batter and fried. They're topped with sweet syrups and salted pork or reindeer to help disguise the metallic taste. Blood sausage. Across the globe, one of the most popular ways to cook with this iron-rich ingredient is to make sausages. There's even a recipe dating back to ancient Mesopotamia. These days, there's a Christmas sausage in Estonia, a version in Bulgaria called bahur, and one called sundae from Korea that's made with pig's blood, rice, and glass noodles. Poland, Italy, and Spain all have their versions, as do Germany and France, to name a few. Blood pudding. If you've traveled to England, chances are you've heard of blood pudding or black pudding. Don't let its name fool you. It's definitely not a dessert. This hearty black sausage usually comes with a full English breakfast. Along with pig's or cow's blood, black pudding contains oats or barley to thicken the mixture. Interestingly, the first mention of black pudding is in Homer's epic poem, The Odyssey. Blood tofu. Like black pudding, blood tofu also has a slightly misleading name, as it has little to do with its soy-based cousin. A popular street food throughout China, this tofu is solidified, jellied blood cut into squares. Originally considered a delicacy and served during Chinese festivals, blood tofu is soft to the touch and tastes tangy and metallic. So what do you think? Which one of these dishes would you most like to snack on? Let us know in the comments. If these bloody bites intrigue you, check out our video about the many ways people enjoy eating raw meat. It's next on Origins of Food.